I'll talk about how to use proper meta keywords for your website. Your meta keywords should contain between 5 to 10 keywords only, and that are found in your face content. I'm using that meta keywords in my home page. Just I'm going to input my meta keywords 5 to 10 words of phrases. Varsity news, education, online blog portal. In here I have input already 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 words. You can add maximum 10 words, 10 keywords, meta keywords. That would be good for you, but minimum just use 5 words as a meta keywords. Then and you can also use this template. Now I will use already I have shown you that and how to use the proper meta keywords for your website. Already I have input meta keywords in my website, and now I'm going to save this one. Just update. In now I use and how to use H1 heading in your website. Okay, now I will use this one. Go to the pages and click on about page, and right here click on visual option. Now I will use the H1 as a H1 tag. If you want to use anything, if you want to mark as H1 tag, then you can write like this one, or you can select this one. You can select this one. I put in already. I'm just using this one. H1 is now H1 tag, and you can also add your H1 tag but just using your HTML code, and this practice will be good for you if you use at least one H1 heading tag for your pages or for your post and in your websites. That would be good for you, good practice. And if you don't find out any option manually to add a H1 tag, H2, H3, 4 tag like this, then go to your HTML format and you can write anything here. I'm just using H2 tag, H2, then you can write H1 to 6, okay, H2, H1, H3, H4 like this one. Okay, thanks for watching.